On the 12th of January 1848, the first of the revolutions of 1848 began in Palermo on the island of Sicily. Welcome to HistoryPod. The Kingdom of the Two Sicilies, which was formed from the separate kingdoms of Sicily and Naples in the 1815 Congress of Vienna, was ruled by the Bourbon dynasty. 3 revolts against monarchical rule, fuelled by oppressive taxation and demands for constitutional reforms, had already occurred on the island in the preceding decades. Tensions spilled over again in early 1848 as Sicilians called for an autonomous government separate from that of Naples. While the king, Ferdinand II, initially resisted these demands, by the 12th of January a fully-fledged revolt spread out from Palermo and forced the king out of Sicily entirely, leading to the establishment of a provisional government. Sicily was not alone in experiencing social discontent and calls for political reform in the middle of the 19th century. Across Europe, the newly emerging middle class sought changes that drew inspiration from the ideology of the French Revolution, while a series of poor harvests had a devastating effect on peasants and the urban working poor. Consequently, revolutions quickly spread across the continent, and by the end of 1848, a series of uncoordinated uprisings had broken out in dozens of countries, including France, Germany, and the Austrian Empire. Yet, despite this initial optimism, internal divisions, external interventions, and the reluctance of some ruling elites to relinquish power led to the violent suppression of the uprisings. Nevertheless, the ideas that fueled them persisted and influenced the future course of European politics in the second half of the 19th century, as demands for political representation, social justice, and national identity continued to shape political discourse.